No. Not lethal.
Is it just him now?
No, there's a female and 2 kids in there too.
There's some kids in there?
Yeah, there's kids in there.
I want me to pray for you, come out, and I'll pray for you. But you gotta come out.
Not till daylight.
Move, I will kill you.
No!
The kid's hit. Give me an ambulance.
May 10th, 2026 at approximately 2:40 in the state of Illinois. Deputies with the Bureau County Sheriff's Office and officers from the Princeton Police Department responded to reports of a domestic disturbance at a mobile home park. Inside one of the homes, 2-year-old Anthony Daniel Rodriguez had barricaded himself in a bedroom with a large butcher knife with 3 hostages, his on and off girlfriend, Aurora Almanza-Arevalo, her 3-year-old son, Damian Camacho, and an infant child. Welcome to Incident on Record. Let's get into it.
Get out! No! Get out! God's name! Get out of my room!
Drop the knife!
God's name! Get out of my bed!
I've got a launcher here.
You got a shot.
Shoot! Don't shoot!
No. Not lethal. Not lethal.
Stop it! No! Just for please! Abby! Stop!
Right through the door.
Princeton car status. Princeton car status.
Not lethal.
Watch out! Watch out!
Back up. Get out of the way. Get out of the way.
Get the fuck out of here.
Jesus!
Get out.
Taser deployed.
Hey.
I've got you guys already deployed. Taser deployed.
I got lethal.
Is it just him now?
No, there's a female and 2 kids in there too.
There's some kids in there?
Yeah, there's kids in there. Baby. I got lethal.
Take up for 1 female out.
Please!
They got a shield in your car.
Yeah, there's a shield in the
Go
back.
grab
Is it
it.
in your car?
You guys, yeah.
Yeah. Does he have? We can't tell what he has on the kids.
I only saw the
He's got a large knife.
He's laying on the ground. Yeah, apparently he has a knife.
He's got a large, like,
I didn't see
machete.
it.
Yeah, he's got a machete. I saw it.
Please! I'll put the knife down if you come.
Come on, you gotta come out, dude.
Just come out with your hands up, man.
As soon as you
You want me to pray for you, come out, and I'll pray for you. But you gotta come out.
No! Not till daylight! I'm not coming out till the daylight.
You gotta come out, dude. That's the only way we can deal with this.
In the daylight.
You can still have a good ending if you come out with your hands
In the
up.
daylight. God's already made.
Is there a window?
Yeah.
They're out there looking. I'm not sure.
Remember, God resurrected in the morning. He came up.
In the morning.
He came up before the light came out.
In the morning I will let them out.
Come, let them out. You can stay in there
Come
and
on,
you'll wait
dude.
till the morning for you to come out.
There's a better way to do it.
No.
You come out, let them out, and you stay in there. We'll wait till the morning.
No.
Like, did they fuck it up this thing? Somebody was fucking with it. We need to put eyes on him.
Yeah, we need to.
Shield up
Can
front.
we knock that door down?
Do you have to tear that fucker down if we got to?
Just kick, step back.
Put your foot through the tongue.
He's right by the door. Door there.
Come on.
No, I get your gun out.
Come on. Let's go
Hey,
on.
move
You guys are blocking.
some of that. Move some of that stuff out. You want anything?
Just kick it. Get back.
The only hinges.
Got one behind them.
Bottom.
Come out!
Come out with your hands up, dude.
Come out with your hands up!
He's threatening to kill. We have to.
We gotta go in.
We gotta move there.
We gotta
You know
go.
what? What if I open that door and pull that and you guys go in?
If you can.
Status. High car status.
17, 10, 6.
Yeah, like right here.
He's right by the, on the right hand side of the door, right? And
One shot with it. Yeah, if you can just open it, at least you get eyes. It's wedged up there.
It's wedged.
Come on, it's not up. Let's go.
We got it.
Put him on the floor, now give up.
Kick it in.
You got.
Put him on the floor, now give up. Yo, get back.
Right there. There he is. You fucking move, I will kill you.
You're not. Move! No! Fucking move! No!
Move!
Oh my God!
God damn it!
No!
Drop him!
No!
Oh my God!
No!
The kid's hit. Give me an ambulance.
Ambulance now! Ambulance!
He's breathing. Put him down.
Put him on the fucking bed! Not till the morning! Not till the morning! Put him on the bed! Not till the morning!
God damn it!
Thank you, God, oh Father God!
Take it.
Thank you, God, oh
Get down. Give this a kid.
No!
He's shot.
No! Shot? Yes! No!
I did.
Get back!
He was going for the
Get
fucking.
back!
Drop.
No! Drop him!
Give us him.
Put him down!
Kid now!
Grab him.
Get him! Get him!
He's got.
No!
Put him down. Put him down. Put him down. Hand him off. Hand him off right now. Hand him off.
Put him down!
Hand him off. Hand off the baby now.
Okay!
Give it to him.
Okay!
Give him the fucking baby. Kobe, reach in for the baby.
Give us the
Give him the baby.
Give me
Give
the
him the
kid.
baby.
Give me the
Give him
kid!
the baby.
Give me the
Give him
kid!
the kid.
God damn it!
Now!
Protected him! Give me the fucking baby!
He's got the knife in his right there.
I don't have no knife, no way!
Give him the kid.
No!
You're gonna kill the kid. Get that
Give
kid.
us the goddamn kid! No!
I can't get it no more.
Get back!
Now.
Kill me then!
We gotta save the kid.
No! We're gonna save his fucking life!
Go. Go with the kid.
No.
Let go.
No!
Somebody give me another fucking taser.
Please
Taser
God! Please God! Please
Drop
God!
the kid. I'm gonna
No.
grab. Get the kid.
No!
Get the kid.
No!
Take the kid. Take the kid. Take the
Take the
kid.
kid!
Take the little boy.
Come on, he's so free.
We can save him!
You're gonna kill him.
You're gonna kill him! Move so I can get a shot! You're gonna kill him!
Let's go.
Let's go!
Grab him. Take him off. Go.
I got him!
Let's go.
No!
God damn it.
Damian was rushed to a nearby hospital, but was pronounced dead at 3:35 a.m. The infant, who had also been trapped inside the bedroom throughout the ordeal, was safely rescued without physical injury. Rodriguez survived his gunshot wound and was taken into custody. He remains jailed after being denied pretrial release while awaiting trial. Prosecutors charged him with multiple felonies, including 3 counts of aggravated unlawful restraint, 3 counts of aggravated assault, and 2 counts of domestic battery. Although his actions directly led to Damian's death, prosecutors stated that Rodriguez cannot be charged with felony murder because of changes made to Illinois law in 2021. Following an independent investigation by the Illinois State Police, Special Prosecutor Brian Town announced that the Princeton police sergeant who fired the shots would not face criminal charges. Investigators concluded the officer was confronted with an extremely dangerous, rapidly evolving hostage situation. Incident on Record documents real-world police encounters using publicly released records. To see more documented cases and help uncover public records, visit Incident on Record Weekly.